Hello folks, welcome back. Let's see how far we get today. Gonna start off with the 4 2 2 4 6 and 8, okay? Eight, 2 6. Today they're practicing all the time, trying to nail these things. It's just to build confidence. So when you get to the table and everything, you can hop the numbers that you have confidence with the set that you use. 5 1 4. Five, 1 4. Three, 1 2. That's a little bit to the left instead of that corner. Gotta pay attention to my landing zone. That's better. 5 2 3. Six, 3 3. Nine, 5 4. Twelve, 6 6. Eight, 6 2. Point made. A little scary right there. When this dice started jumping up and down a little bit. Six, 2 4. Point 6. $11, 6 5. A little too much power there. So what I'm trying to achieve is just a gentle touch, you know? Just a fine balance. Seven, a double kiss. So we made 1 point, couldn't make the second, so how do we get here? 2 4 6 8, 10, 11. Again with the 11. Okay. So I guess it's when you hit 10 or 9, shut your bets off. And then recalibrate after that. Okay. See you next time. Take care.